How the hell is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Unbound. In the last episode, we started the game, pick our character, and named ourselves Electro, named our rival Mo, and today I'm gonna pick the starter. I know so many wants to pick Gibble, but I can't see the comments unfortunately, so I'm gonna pick Beldum, Steel Beldum. Yes, hasty nature. Okay, so let's pick this Beldum again. Jolly nature. Nice. Speed back to 2 times. Yes, and I'm gonna name this Ultron. I couldn't easily name this Vision, but I'm gonna name this Ultron because it's Ultron but better. I'll take this one. Okay, I know we have only taken down the short and the Larvitar left. Now that we have our own Pokemon, let's head back to the exit. We'll force our way to there. Chick. We don't have running shoes yet. I told you before, I'm under strict orders to keep it up locked. Hey, you don't really have a choice now. You're going to let us out, or face our birthday. Quite fooling you. There's nothing you can do to make let through. Electro, let's team up and show this guy what we can do. You both are really starting to get my nose off. Inke, Scorpy, show them why don't mess up with shadows. Okay. Hey, this is Team Plasma's team. Your challenger with Shadow Grunt, Inke and Scorpy. We have... Okay, what is metal? What the hell? Summary. A physical attack which... Hey, 40 base power. Nice, physical move too. What is our held item? Orange berry. Okay. Metal bash. It's 100% accurate too. So it's nice. Clear body. Clear body is going to be good. And Inke, bye. Metal bash. Why did you went for that toughing move? You idiot. Sand attack, nice. Clear body. Metal bash, bye. Just go for an effing attacking move. Who said this game is hard as hell? And we defeated Shadow Grunt. No, my Pokemon. Not bad, you and I make a pretty good team, but I'll tackle it from where? Let me use this potion or your Pokemon to heal it from the right. Gibble, use Fire Fan. Gibble! Alright, I give up, I'll let you through. Please have mercy on me, don't hurt me anymore, please. Gibble, return! I'm getting out of here now, Electro. I'm sure you're capable of taking care of yourself and here and out. If you're running into any trouble, just use your Pokemon. One more thing, as soon as you get home, we're going to battle. You impressed me when we battled together, so I want to see how I fare against you. Until then, don't try yourself so much. Ha. Mo defeated you. I'm really sure, but how those people you asked me to guard found some Pokemon and escaped. Fool! How could you let them escape? They saw what we are doing in this lab. If they realize what we are doing and tell anyone, the international police will send a whole ethics committee after us. That could ruin our entire operation. And you think simply apologize will make everything better? Sir, I don't, but it was just a small mistake. I promise it won't happen. Marlon, I need you to send someone to obtain the weekly supplies from the Pokemon. Make sure they also directly obtain a special package that is arriving today. It's critical for our operation to capture specimen UNO. Right away, sir. Grant. Yes, sir. Anything else? Once that Grant has obtained the package, take it and use it to capture specimen UNO. On it. As for you, I'm going to make an example out of you. It's time to pay your blunder. No, please, I'm really sorry. Hound, I'm dragging this useless gun to the lab. Let the scientists know how the junior pig. In the darker version, the Hound will burn him. At least now something useful will come of this failure. Okay. Electro, you finally made it out. Have you met Old Man Log? He's an expert on Pokemon stats or something or other. I've been filling him in on what happened. I study all aspects of Pokemon and stats and capture rate. And my title professor, not Old Man. Dear Arceus, Arcus, I feel like I've told you that too many times. Anyway, that must be have been quite an order and through. I'm relieved to hear both of you are unharmed. You both even managed to acquire your own very Pokemon, not to mention rare and powerful ones that I was planning on giving Mo one, but someday or another, but now I don't have to. Hoo-ha! Someday it has been 13 years since you started looking after me, old man. I've been looking for Arcus now how long? Honestly, I gave up believing you. Well, of course, I'm planning on it, Mo. There are plenty of items. I'm too old to run myself. It's just that, well, when your parents left you with me, they asked me that I watch over you until you are at least 18 years old. Whatever, log. Believe what you want. Oh, I almost forgot. Now that we are outside, let me show how a real trainer battle works. Okay, here we go. Says Mo. Gibble. Let's go for Metal Bash. Oh, we have tackle instead of takedown. Let's go for the off. Us. Sus. Metal Bash off. Ultron. Looks like we still have a long way to go, Electro. We have no more Pokemon that can fight. That was a fine battle. Very thrilling if I do say so myself. No one cares how it made you feel, log. It only matters if your Pokemon seems strong. Well, from what I can see, your Pokemon do have some nice stats. I see potential for them to become strong Pokemon someday. Thank you, log. That's the first useful thing you said all the day, and I'll be the last. Well, he's certainly harmful, isn't it? And now that he's gone, who will run errands for me? Ha, Electro, you seem capable of. Are you sure it always. Yeah. Building Town Pokemon Mart package. Okay, a few dialogue. Who's this game creator? Why the hell? 6 minutes. Okay, let's explore this one. I'm gonna explore for items. What the Hey, what the hell? Okay. Oh, okay, nice. Yes. Okay. Yeah, few. Electro, what are you doing? I told you to check within your mother. Don't look at me like that. Didn't your mother even teach you to listen to your elders? Go see her. Okay. Is this my house? Looks like it is. Wait a second. This is, I think, Mo's house. Mo's, yeah. Mo, you effing beggar. Mo sucks. Not this Mo. Real Mo. Is this my house? I was really worried about you, Electro. Okay, thank you for. Sniff. Oh, okay, Mom. Super cute. So, okay. Okay, Mom. Just F off. Okay. Hey, Mom, stopping. Stop it. I mean, Cube. I don't know what to think about this, but yeah. So I'm gonna explore a little more and. Hey, Psychic Gem, nice. Thank you, World Effing Man. Mission log. Okay. Stop talking. Everybody in this town sucks except for me. And even more suck because he won the battle. If anybody defeats me, they suck, obviously. So that's our episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. Peace.